Would y'all wake up to that? No, right? Help them. Shout their name, ask if they're okay, try to get a response out of it. Regardless if they are in cardiac arrest or not, that's not normal. That's when you're calling crap. So if there's no pulse, there's no breathing, I would start no compression. Make sure the person's on a flat, solid surface. My landmark for my compressions, right down the middle, and the nipple line right there, and that flat breastbone, that's where you want that heel of your hand to push. You can either interlock your fingers, you can kind of put two hands on top of each other, as long as your elbows are long.
Just remember when you're doing the compressions, you're directly above the person. You don't want to be down here, because if you're down here, you're going to have to use your arms to push down. So make sure you're using your upper body to do some compressions, and you want to go ahead and go at a depth of 2 inches. And these mannequins have feedback devices which tell you if you're doing them correctly.